Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to enable Instagram account to professional account. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to enable the professional account, you need to enter into your profile. Over there at the top right corner, you need to click three line icon, and then you need to scroll down. You need to find account type and tools. Over there, please click account type, and please click switch to professional account, and then click next. Over here you need to select your content to switch to professional account. Once you're done, it asks whether you are creator or business. If you are individual, please click creator and then click next, and you need to do the 7 step, or else you can also skip some step as of now. Once it's done, please close it and refresh it. Now the Instagram account is created to professional account. You may see the dashboard over there. To monetize, you need to click professional dashboard and then enter into branded content and then click enable. Once you enabled, your monetization will be enabled. Now you can see you are able to monetize. So this is how guys you need to change the personal account to professional account. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.